it'd have to be a modified version of the BFG. Because I'm quite tall, quite stocky, and I'm quite friendly. So. Big friend to Carl. It'd have to be Cardiff Castle. Turn it into a big foxhole for Mr. Fox and his family to have some fun and run around and get away from those nasty farmers. I used to be marshal at Castle motor racing, and before races on the starting line, if it was a saloon car race, me and my friend would go on the track and we'd look under the car to make the driver think he had an oil leak before the start of the race. A lot of scared faces as we were leaving the grid. So yeah, I think that's going to be one of the most cheeky things I do quite a mean lasagna, so it'd have to be a funky lasagna for a rolled album. Yeah, invisibility sounds good. So yeah, make you invisible. It's going to be amazing. Scrumptious. Wonderful.